to make a recipe. Vegetable kurma without coconut milk. It is very good recipe. All should try this recipe. So let's start.
Okay friends, today we are going to see a new recipe, vegetable kurma. For this recipe, I took some vegetables such as carrot, beans and cauliflower. So I took 1 carrot, a handful of beans and 300 grams of cauliflower. I took this for kurma. Then potato, 2 potato. I sliced and put it in the water. Then 3 to 4 onions, big onion. You can also add shallots for this recipe. Then I took 8 to 10 cloves of garlic, ginger, chili, coconut pieces, and then 1 tomato. So for this recipe we are not adding any coconut milk, and I also took cooked green peas for this recipe. I already soaked it overnight and it is pressure cooked, and it is cooked green peas. Now we can start. First heat the pan, and I am adding 2 teaspoons of coconut oil. So I am adding coconut oil for this recipe. Then I am going to sort this onion. First I am adding onion, and I am sorting it for some time. I am adding some salt, so it will get salt. And I will add ginger pieces also. So ginger pieces I am cutting in this shape only. You no need to cut very small pieces because we are going to grind this one. So I am adding ginger. Then just sort it for some time. I am adding garlic also. So together we can the onion want to change its color. Okay, so I am adding some more coconut oil into this onion, and I am adding green chilies also. Here I took 6 to 7 green chilies. It varies according to your taste. I am not adding any chili powder. Instead of that I am adding only green chilies. Sort it for some time. See, the onion changes its color. So when the onion changes its color, you can add that coconut pieces also. So this much only coconut piece I am adding here. I am not adding any coconut milk for this recipe. So if you do not have coconut also, you can try this recipe. Then also it is very tasty. So it's ready now. Then I am going to I keep it in another plate. Let it cool for some time. Now took another pan. Add some more oil, coconut oil. Then add mustard, curry leaves. Then I am adding 2 green chilies also, 2 to 3 green chilies. Just sort it for some time. So we are going to add vegetables also into this. So I am first adding beans and carrot together. Mix it, and we can add potato also. 2 to 3 potatoes you can add. Then I am adding cauliflower also to this. So just sort it for some time. So it should be mixed together. Then I am adding half teaspoon of turmeric powder. So turmeric powder, it's a smell. That smell must go. Then I am adding the coriander powder also, 1.5 teaspoon of coriander powder. Just mix it well. Then so we can add some garam masala powder. This is a homemade garam masala powder. I am adding half a teaspoon of garam masala powder. Then just mix all together. Now you can add a tomato also. I took 1 tomato. I am adding that also together. Mix it well. Then add salt according to your taste. I am adding 1.5 teaspoon of salt. Then mix everything together. Then I am adding the water, that is green peas, that is cooked water. Okay, I am not adding any other water into this. So we can cook it. In the meanwhile, we can grind this masala also, that onion. you can grind the masala and make it into a smooth paste. So I grind it and into a smooth paste. So we can, in between we want to check the vegetables whether water is there or not and all we want to check, but I am not adding any other water into it. So water is already there from cauliflower and all. Water is getting down. So again it want to cook for 15 minutes because the cauliflower, potato, carrot and beans should be cooked well. So we can check whether it is cooked or not. And after that we can add the green peas also. The green peas is already cooked. So I am adding now only the green peas and mix it well. Then it cook for some time. So we can check the vegetables are cooked or not. So I am going to check the potato is cooked well. Beans, everything is cooked now. Okay, now we can add that onion paste into this cooked vegetables. Onion paste I am adding into it. So I am putting some water also into that jar. I am washing that jar and pouring the water into this curry. So this much water only we are adding into this curry. No extra water is adding. It's already from cauliflower and all water is there. So I added that water also. So now let it boil. It needs to be boiled. So if you want you can add also coconut milk into this recipe. So if you don't have coconut, that is also we can do. Without coconut also we can do this recipe. Only simply we can salt the onion and make into a paste, and that also we can add into it. So after that we are adding some curry leaves. Okay, this is very good for chapati, puri and dosha also. So if you like this video, please subscribe our video and click the bell icon also near to it. Okay, all of you please comment to our channel also. Thank you.